Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make custom blocks with the EV3 programming system. So what you do is you drag a lasso around everything except for the play button. Then you go up here to Tools, My Block Builder, and then you can write in the block name. So I'm going to make this tutorial block 4. Then you can click on an icon for the block. So I want this icon. Then you can go to add parameters. So go to parameter setup. You can make a parameter name. So I'm going to do this forward tank control. Then, so it's going to be an input, and we're going to have a horizontal slider, and the max is going to be 100, and our minimum is going to be 0, and its default value will be 1. So then we can go to parameter icons and choose an icon for this parameter. So I want this parameter icon to be this. And then I go to add parameter because I want another parameter. Parameter setup. So I'm going to call this backward tank control. Horizontal slider. Minimum minus negative 100. And max is minus 1. So the default value is going to be minus 1. And then we are going to go to parameter icons. And we are going to choose this icon for it. And then we can also add a description. So I'm just going to have a tutorial block finish. So once we're done, we'll have these things here. So we plug these in here. So basically what this means is that when I'm actually using the custom block, when I type in a number here, it's going to correspond to this. And then when I type in to a number here, it's going to correspond to this. So then we grab another play button and the block, this would be 1 rotation forward here, and this would be minus 1 rotations here. And that's it. Bye!